How long do winter tires last? Imagine driving on icy roads or snowy streets and feeling confident that your tires will grip the surface. That's the power of good winter tires. But how long do they actually last? Well, winter tires usually last between 3 to 6 years, or about 30,000 to 50,000 kilometers. That's roughly 18,000 to 31,000 miles. Several things can affect how long they stay in good shape. Your driving habits matter a lot. If you accelerate quickly, brake hard, or take sharp turns often, your tires will wear out faster. Road conditions also play a role. Potholes, rough roads, and exposure to chemicals like road salt can damage tires more quickly. Proper maintenance can help them last longer. Make sure to check your tire pressure regularly, rotate your tires every 10,000 to 12,000 kilometers, and keep your vehicle's alignment in check. When you're not using your winter tires during warmer months, store them in a cool, dry place away from sunlight and dirt. Cleaning them before storage helps prevent cracking and damage. Age is also a factor. Even if you don't drive much, replace winter tires after about 6 years from the date they were made. The rubber naturally degrades over time, leading to cracks and less grip. The tread depth is another key point. When the tread gets to about 5/32 of an inch or less, it's time for new tires. Tread depth affects how well your tires grip snow and ice. For teen drivers, knowing how long your winter tires last is important for safety and saving money. Remember, winter tires give you better control on icy roads, which helps prevent accidents. But using them past their prime or during warm weather can make handling worse and reduce safety. Always switch to winter tires before the first snowfall and change back when temperatures stay above 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Check your tire tread and pressure often, especially during winter. Keep track of the manufacturing date by reading the 4-digit code on the sidewall, which shows the week and year it was made. If you follow these simple steps, your winter tires will stay effective and keep you safe during the cold months.